So Emma, if you're watching this, you're welcome. Aloha everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hiram. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hiram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every week. Now let's get one thing straight off the bat. I fucking love Emma Chamberlain. No joke, I watch every single one of her videos all the way through because that's just how much I love her. And that's kind of rare for me to say because most YouTubers I find just boring, just so boring. But for Emma, it's different. She's just like fucking hilarious and genuine and she's awesome. And recently in some of the videos that I've been watching from her, I've noticed that her skin is just a little like, it's not happy. And I'm not saying that to be a bitch. I'm just saying like as someone who is like crazy about skincare and who is also a skincare specialist, I just happen to notice people's skin right away. And Emma's skin is just not very happy at the moment, sadly to say. I've just noticed some breakouts, acne, all that fun stuff. And as I've noticed this, I've just kind of thought to myself, you know what, Hiram, I don't think that Emma's really, you know, like the skincare type of gal. I get the vibe that Emma's more the kind of person that's just like, the less I have to do to get ready, the better. And I don't blame her. I mean, I used to be terrible at skincare. Back when I first started, I was like, oh my god, I love this moisturizer, and then I approximately used it like once a week. Skincare is hard. It's hard to be consistent. It really is. And for me, it took fucking forever just to get a consistent routine going. And as I was watching Emma's recent videos, I was like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a skincare routine for Emma. Her skin is obviously struggling a little bit, like all of ours does. And seeing that she literally says that she has no idea what any of her skincare or makeup items do, I thought I'd give her a helping hand and create an entire skincare routine specifically for Emma based off of the struggles that I see within her skin. All right, I'm bored. Let's get started. So in preparation for this video, I kind of scoured over a bunch of Emma's videos, seeing which ones that she talks about her skin. And honestly, she kind of talks a lot about her skin. We love a self-absorbed bitch, says the guy that literally talks about his skin 24/7 on his YouTube channel. And from what I've seen before, I've only seen her talk about 2 different skincare products, one of which is Curology. And I have a lot of thoughts about Curology. If you want to see my entire video on that, link in the description box below. But she did a video sponsored by Curology where she talks about one of the products that she uses. In addition to this, in her very last video that she uploaded, she also uses the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, which... how can I be shady and still brand friendly? I'm just gonna say that's not the best thing out there, and Emma, sweetie, there's a lot of better options that I'm gonna lead you through. So based off of this information, I created a skincare routine that was kind of be similar to the products that she's using, but just a little better. And by a little, I mean like a lot better. Let's start. So first things first. Time to relax. One thing I think that's very important, and Emma, I don't know if you're doing this, but I am praying to the makeup gods that you are. I was watching her nighttime routines and I had a really dark realization. Sorry, this is hard to say. I don't think she removes her makeup before she goes to bed. So dramatic. False alarm, everybody. I repeat, false alarm. I did in fact find a video where Emma takes off her makeup before she goes to bed. So kind of defeats the whole purpose of my video, but you know, fuck it. A lot of people may not see this as a problem, but not taking your makeup off before you go to bed is kind of like Armageddon on your skin. It's like the Hunger Games going on in this shit. Basically, when you're sleeping, your skin is trying to repair itself. You know, the skin's sending out good vibes to your skin to let it repair itself. But when you have makeup blocking all of your pores, this makeup is actively fighting against the things that your skin's trying to do to help itself. So basically, yeah, it's shit for your skin. So as a solution to that, I recommend a cleansing oil. If you haven't heard of a cleansing oil before, they are amazing for removing makeup and also dissolving any oil buildup that is currently in your skin. The one that I love and the one that I recommend for you, Emma, is the Paula's Choice Perfect Cleansing Oil. The reason why I like this is because it works good for dry skin as well as oily skin. So depending on what type of skin you have, this will work for you. The ingredients are really clean and non-irritating, which means you're not gonna get any additional breakouts on your skin. Whoa. Oh, also to Emma and to anyone else who's watching this, if you are interested in buying any of these products, I have linked each of the products in the description box below. Some of them are affiliate links because your boy is working 50+ hours a week at 2 jobs. Life's rough. So if you want to say thank you for me creating this video and some of my other videos, feel free to use the affiliate links if you want, no pressure. All right, so the next step is a facial cleanser. Now you may be thinking, Hiram, what the fuck You just recommended a cleansing oil and now a facial cleanser. Excuse me? I know, I'm sorry, but this is the part of the skincare routine that just takes a little bit of extra work. The reason why, if you use a cleansing oil to remove your makeup, rinse off, you're still gonna have oil build up within each of your pores, and that's mixed with the makeup that it's dissolving. And one thing you have to do is to use a really good face wash to get all of that shit out of your skin. Hence why I recommend the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Cleanser. Oh my god, this is my favorite cleanser ever, and Emma, nothing but the best for you. For real guys, this is so good, especially if you have combination to oily skin, which I'm imagining Emma has because of her breakouts. This one does a great job of just pulling all the impurities out of your skin, you know, really detoxifying your skin, getting deep and taking all those toxic friendships out of your life. Was that too far? Best cleanser I've ever used, obsessed. The next product to go in with would be the SK2 Facial Treatment Clear Lotion. This is like an essence and a treatment together, which is gonna exfoliate your skin using salicylic acid, which is great for going deep into the pores and pushing all the dirt out. And yes, SK2 is a little bougie, but Emma buys Gucci and goes to Louis Vuitton shows, so, you know. We all know that she likes a little bit of the upper class echelons. It's really lightweight, absorbs into the skin, and you notice a difference in your pores. It's good. After the SK2 essence is when you go in with your moisturizer, yay! And I'm just gonna say, no tea, no shade, but Charlotte Tilbury is not a bad brand, it's not a bad product, it's just not what I'd recommend for someone who's struggling with acne. So usually people struggling with a lot of acne would want something for oily skin, but Emma drinks so much damn coffee that I am 1000% sure that her skin is ultra dehydrated because of all that coffee. Emma, Jesus, don't you know coffee's bad for your skin? God. Ugh, that hit the spot. So because of that, I recommend the Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. The reason being, this one's a very, very hydrating moisturizer, but it doesn't leave a film of grease on your skin. It doesn't feel oily. It absorbs really nicely into the skin. But in addition to that, it is great for anyone who's struggling with sensitive, red, irritated skin, like my girl Emma, because it has adaptogens, which are basically mushroom extracts that are really good for soothing red, irritated, angry skin. It's basically like a mushroom trip for your skin. Good vibes. Now for the final step, sunscreen. And I honestly have no idea if Emma uses sunscreen, but I'm just gonna pray that she is, because that's like the most important, especially if you live in Southern California. Because Emma has a little bit more of sensitive skin, I would recommend the Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Face Dry Touch Sunscreen. Jesus, that's a long name. Basically, it's SPF 50 and it's formulated with only zinc oxide, which is an amazing ingredient, not only for your skin, but it doesn't kill coral reefs in the ocean. And because Emma's very socially aware, one reason why I love her to death, I know that she's not gonna wanna kill the ocean by using a chemical sunscreen. So this one to save the day. In addition to this, I also recommend mixing in the D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum, because sometimes mineral sunscreens can leave a little bit of a white cast. What this does, it's an ultra pigmented protective serum that you mix in with the moisturizer, which creates an all over bronzy look, which is great for you, Emma, because you won't like always need to over tan yourself. On the real though, mixing these two together is an amazing combination that just creates the most natural look to your skin, almost like a tinted moisturizer, but without the makeup. It's fucking bomb. And yeah, that's it. That's literally everything. See, it wasn't so difficult. While creating this skincare routine, I really wanted it to be as simple as possible, covering as many steps within as few products, because just like me, Emma is lazy as fuck. And for me, the less products, the better. Also says the person who has literally drawers of skincare behind him. So Emma, if you're watching this, you're welcome. On the real though, I love Emma Chamberlain. I think she's an awesome influence, just a great, funny person overall. By making this skincare routine, I meant no disrespect, but only help if she by any chance happens to watch this. But regardless, I had fun making it. And if any of you other guys want to follow this skincare routine as well, you have the links in the description box below. Comment what you think. If you did enjoy it, comment down below some of your favorite things about Emma or your favorite skincare products. I don't know, just let's start a conversation. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.